Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread in a pan. Preheat a heavy pan over medium heat, lightly oil it, mix flour, salt, yeast, and lukewarm water into a soft dough. Knead briefly. Let it rest covered until puffy, shape into a flat loaf, and cook 6 to 8 minutes per side until golden and sounding hollow. For a reliable dough, mix until just combined, then knead briefly to build structure without overworking it. Aim for a soft, slightly tacky texture that holds shape. After shaping into a flat round, let the dough rest covered so gluten relaxes and air pockets develop, which gives you a tender crumb and crisp exterior once it hits the hot pan. Control the heat to get a crisp crust without a raw center by cooking at medium and adjusting as needed. Use a lid briefly to create steam and boost oven-like rise, then uncover to finish browning. Rotate the pan if your burner runs hot on one side, and test doneness by tapping the base. A hollow sound and deep golden color mean your pan bread is ready to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.